Hello viewers, welcome back again in another exciting video. How are you all doing today? I hope everyone are doing good. So today I have come with another great important recipe. Yes, this recipe today I'm going to be telling you step by step on how you can fortify your bracelets, how you can fortify your waist beads, how you can fortify your necklace, how you can fortify even your ankle chains, your earring. Yes, what we're doing today is favor what? Fortification. Favor, progress, good luck fortification using your jewelries. Okay. Now, I have in my table here, I have a lot of fortified jewelries already, but I am using this one as an illustration for today. All right, to share with you or to show you how you can fortify your own at your home. Okay, so first of all, what are the ingredients? You are to get me your new jewelries. Okay, when you get it, I want you to I want you to cleanse it first. How will you cleanse it? Now, get me your sea salt. Get me a sea salt. Put it inside your white container or white um jar that has lid. Put a teaspoon of your sea salt inside that place. And now, what do you do next? You are to add your rosemary inside that place. Now, get me your white candle. Get me a white candle, make a hole in the middle of your jar that you have put your jewelries. Now on the white candle, allow the candle to burn. Okay, let it be a glass jar, please, not a rubber. If you have a native pot will be a better option in place of glass jar. Okay, so allow it to burn thoroughly, and then after burning, shake the jar or the native pot, allow it to stay there for like 4 to 5 hours. When you want to bring it out, please do not put your hand inside that place again in order for you not to add a negative energy again inside your fortified jewelries or your cleansing jewelries. Okay, bring it out using something like spoon to bring them out from the jar. When you are done with that process, now this is the time for fortification. Fortification for breakthrough, for good luck, for progress, for love and attraction. All right. So when you are done with cleansing of your jewelries using salt and rosemary, now get me this item in the table. Here I have a leaf called a missy. This is a missy missy. It is called sweet leaf in English. Okay, it is always tiny and it's very sweet. It's sweeter than honey, it's sweeter than sugar. Get this leaf, get me a coconut, a fresh coconut. As you can see on my table here, I have a fresh coconut here. That coconut should be fresh like this and it must not touch the ground. Okay, it must not touch the ground. So when you get it, you peel the back, this back of the coconut. Okay, peel it, the hard back, peel it off. When you're peeling it, do not touch it on the ground. Look for a stick or stone to place it and then begin to peel the back. When you're done peeling the back, it will only remain the coconut. Okay, the small coconut inside. And then that thing that you have to get is what? Original honey. Get me original honey. Because if you don't have original honey, I want to make this um good luck, favor, and attraction bonding bead or fortified bead, it will not work. You need what? Original honey. So how will you do this? Now, crack the coconut, open the coconut into two parts like this. Open it into a two part like this. Okay. When you're done peeling this hard bag that you're seeing, open it. Use a knife to open it into two. To open the coconut into two. Now, the remaining half of the coconut, the other cover, leave it, and then get me. You are to do this with carefulness because we want the water of the coconut to be what? Intact. Okay, you don't have to throw away the coconut water. So be careful when you're cracking the coconut so that the water of the coconut will not splash out. Now get me all these beads, all these jewelries. Add the base inside the coconut with the coconut water. All right. Now this leaf you are to what? You are to blend it. Blend it without adding any water. Blend it. Add it also inside the coconut. Okay. Get me this your honey. Add it inside the coconut, and then use the other cover of the coconut, the other parts, use it to cover it. Get me white thread, use it to secure the coconut together, both the tail and the head. Use it to secure it thoroughly, and after which hold the coconut like this and begin to make your prayer. Begin to make your intention known to God and to the universe. Ask for favor, ask for protection, ask for love, anything. But it is mainly for love, favor, attraction, and good luck. This is what this particular one does. Okay. Now, after that, place it at the corner of your house, one side of your house. Allow it there. Do not allow anybody to touch it. Please place it in a place where no one will ever touch it again. Let it sit there for 7 days. After 7 days, bring it out again. Bring it out, and now use something like what? Use something like spoon or stick to remove the bead inside the main coconut, and the remaining products, the remaining ingredients, you are to do what are you going to do with it? You don't have to throw it away. Just save it one side, both the coconut water and the coconut, because the coconut water and the honey, you are going to be using it to bathe. Okay, it serves as a very good what attraction water or attraction oil for yourself, and it will also attract money. If you're the type that you are doing business and your business is not moving, use the ingredient, the left ingredient that you have already removed your jewelries at from there. Do not throw it away, but the coconut, you can throw the main coconut away, and then the honey and the coconut water and this leaf, the remainings, store it. You can also use it to do what? To put on your VV side. If your husband is not liking you again, like you are not tasty to your husband any longer, and your honey pot is not tasty to him, he's making him to go outside, he's cheating on you, use a little bit of the remainings of this, use it to rub on your pony, and that will be the end of that problem by God's grace. Okay. So guys, that's it, just the end of this video for today. But if you want already fortified one, these ones are already fortified, please do let us know. We ship all over the world. If you need original honey to do this, we ship also. And if you feel that you cannot get a coconut that did not touch the ground, you can as well make order for the already fortified waist bead, any bracelet of your choice. So guys, that is the end of this video for today. See you on my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.